welcome to free learning. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to format numbers like the values you see here in this property value column. So they have the same width. So we append zeros before each one of them so that they have the same width. So let's start. I'm going to add a new column. So this is new formatted column. And so in this column, I'm going to put the same values for now. Then I'm going to click on Write, Format Cells, and here we go to Custom, and we remove this General, and we put as many zeros as the longest number that we have here. So this one have 3, 6, 7, 8 numbers. So let's add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so also if we want to add a dollar or euro, we can add it at the end, for example, here, and click on OK. So you can see here that for this, the biggest number, we didn't add any zero, but for the shorter ones, we appended zeros before the value, so that's all these values have the same width, and these values are still numbers that we can add and do any other operation that we want to do. So you can see here that if we add 3, so they are not texts, these are values, so it's just the format that I have changed.